Hello beautiful people, welcome to Ria'sbeauty channel, your ultimate destination for all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle. I am Ria, your host and guide through the world of glamour and style. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to my channel where creativity meets inspiration. On Ria'sbeauty channel, you can expect a wide range of content that caters to your beauty and fashion needs. From in-depth beauty tutorials and styling tips to the latest fashion trends and wardrobe essentials, I've got you covered. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast, a fashionista, or someone looking for practical DIY solutions, my channel is designed to inspire and empower you. Beauty is more than just makeup. It's about enhancing your natural features and expressing yourself. On my channel, you'll find a variety of beauty tutorials that range from everyday looks to special occasions makeup. I'll share my favorite products, techniques and tips to help you achieve the perfect look for every occasion. Fashion is a form of self-expression and styling is an art. I'll provide you with styling tips and tricks to help you create looks that reflect your personality and style. From mixing and matching outfits to accessorizing like a pro, you will learn how to elevate your wardrobe and make a statement. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest fashion trends. I'll break down current trends, show you how to incorporate them into your wardrobe, and provide insight into what's hot and not. Whether you are a trendsetter or prefer classic styles, you'll find valuable information to help you navigate the fashion world. Building a versatile wardrobe can be challenging, but with the right essentials, you can create countless outfits. I'll share my must-have wardrobe pieces and show you how to style them in different ways. From timeless, classic to modern must-haves, you will learn how to build a wardrobe that works for you. Sometimes, a little creativity can go a long way. On my channel, you will find DIY videos that offer practical solutions to your beauty and fashion needs. I'll show you how to get creative and save money. What sets Ria'sbeauty channel apart is it focuses on empowering you with knowledge and skills that you can apply to your own life. I'm not just sharing content, I'm building a community where we can learn, grow and inspire each other. My goal is to provide valuable, engaging and informative content that resonates with you. On Ria'sbeauty channel, you are not just a viewer, you are part of a community. I'll be sharing content that is not only informative but also relatable and fun. From behind the scenes looks at my own beauty and fashion journey to tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. My aim is to make you feel seen and inspired. If you are ready to embark on this beauty and fashion journey with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on my latest videos. And feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Your engagement means the world to me and I'm excited to connect with you. Thank you for watching and I look forward to sharing my passion for beauty and fashion with you. Please rate this makeup from 1 to 10 if I look like Indian or not. Until next time, stay beautiful and stylish. And don't forget that this channel is here to help you experience true beauty. See you in my next video.